Hi guys. So today, this is my puppy with a fellow string. I love this morning. She's adorable, isn't she? A little baby pug. Look how adorable she is. Ooh, look at what eyes are. Look how cute she is. So, she's got her skirt on. And today, she's going to tell us what to do. We're going to look in the camera. So, maybe the camera. This is my first video. I'm getting over it because it is the best thing to do. So, this is what I do. Da, 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 da. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, so, yeah, she's cute. She won't move. Look at that.